Oh, and a good day to you. I'm going to record a simple step-by-step guide on how to use our Google Sheet system for generating terminal reports for schools. So I'm going to teach you the bit where teachers will be responsible for, and as soon as the data is collected, we send it over to our professional development department, and they'll quickly work on your terminal report for you at a fee which can be discussed later on. So just stick and stay as I go through the various steps with you. And I'm using the Ghana education, curriculum, what's actually happening in most of the schools in Ghana. And this system can also be adapted to suit any system, be it an international school, which is a low cost way of getting things done. Yeah. I'm going to share my screen in a bit. Okay, so it's just a simple sheet that you can use. So once you get this sheet, it will obviously be in our Google Drive or our shared drive. Then you type in your subject list. That's the first step. And the next step is to go to your student list. If you hover the mouse, you can click on it, it will take you there. Or you can come to the sheet tab over here, student list, and you put in the student's name. So let's say Fifi Pawoma Oben. That's your first student. Ama Soma Oben. Nana Adapa Oben. And well, so you can even work on it collaboratively. So another teacher can use another system to populate the list. And I'm using another computer now. Kojo O2. So you see that collaborative feature. Another teacher can come in here and type probably absent. So we've got a total attendance, let's say it's 56, you put that there. So the number of times people was present, the other teacher can be working on it. So let's say it was present at school 52 times, you put it there. Which grade level are we looking at? So let's say BS 4. You type that in, it populates for the rest of the students. And all the teachers will need to do is just focus on what? Working on the number of times they came to school. So let's say 32, and then leave the system to do the deduction from the total attendance for that term. Then the attitude, you can hit on the drop down. If you don't like what you see here, you can always add on. Let me do that here so that you can see. So I can add on here, let's say hardworking. Then another teacher can be working on the first student, whilst I work on the second student. Submissive, then trustworthy. Then you can move on, work on the interest, something like that. I believe you get the drift. So right from the beginning of the term, we make the sheet ready for you so that you can be working alongside that. Okay, so once you populated all the necessary fields, then you probably move on to reopening date. So we're going to reopen on the, let's say, the 5th of, let's say, 5/2026. You put it there, and it gives you class teacher's name is Paintil Anthony, something like that. And I believe it's not difficult to understand. So once you finish, you come to the first subject. And the first subject here is computing, because on our dashboard, computing is first. If I choose this to creative art, then subject 1 will be creative arts. Let's see. Oh, it did not update. Okay, so I'll need to check the cell referencing and work on that bit. So I'm going to do an equal to sign, refer it to this. I'll hit enter, and it should automatically reflect. So that's just by the way. So once you come to the subject, all you need to do is to put in the total classwork and the total exam score. With the total classwork is, let's say, over 100, you put 100 at the top. So what did Phoebe get? So Phoebe got, let's say, 89, and it's converted into 50% for class score. And the exam was also over 100. And what is the total score for Phoebe? Let's say 46. Then it will calculate and give you the grade. That's it. So if you don't like this grading system, we can always, amend it and make changes to it. So that can be done. Just a simple formula, and we should be good to go. So that's all that teachers will need to do, moving through the various subjects, working on the respective school-based assessment, so to speak. So once that is done, we take hold of your data and we generate a terminal report for you. It's as simple as A, B, C. So let's see if I can show you a sample of that. So let me go to my Gmail. So the Google Suite is a very powerful application, and you need to take a critical look at it to improve the way you do things in your various schools. So I'm going to just share a sample with you, maybe something I just designed this morning. Populated, and so it gives you this nice, template. So if you don't like this, we can always discuss and make changes to it. Yeah. That is it. So that is a wrap. And if you're school and you want a system like this for your students, just get in touch. I'll provide free training on how to use the system. Then if you want to build it as a school, I can train all the teachers in the school at a very minimal fee. So get in touch. God bless. And if this was helpful, you can share it with a friend. Bye bye. Blessings abundance.